Hello, I'm Ricardo from Vision Tech, and today I would like to talk to you about the new VISNWEBLOCKS screw-on blocks. VISNWEBLOCKS is the name for a range of screw-on blocks created thanks to the existence of VISNWCENT false teeth. In contrast to conventional mechanical blocks, these are manufactured with light alloy material and can be equipped with the new permanent BTC antibacterial action treatment. In addition, their shapes that are already defined and standardized facilitate the designer's work in choosing the components suited to their application. All VISNWEBLOCKS blocks are manufactured by industrial method in standard widths from 16mm to 100mm. For clamping, stainless steel M3 bolts are always used, in various lengths depending on the height of the block. Simplified design thanks to standardization of the dimensions. Reduction in delivery time. Increased lightness, surface strength, mechanical resistance, and increased corrosion resistance. De-adhesive action. Permanent 100% antibacterial action thanks to BTC treatment. The VISNWEBLOCKS blocks are used for synchronized product transport or integrated as feed stations. They can also be used to clamp our Vision Titan and Den Titan hinged joints. You can consult our site vision-tech.it for more information. Thank you and see you soon.